Good morning, dear. Time to wake up.
Good morning, Mom. I am still sleepy.
You need to wake up now. It's a beautiful day.
Okay, Mom. I am getting up.
Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I did.
Great. Now, go wash your face.
Okay, Mom.
Did you brush your teeth?
Yes, I did.
Good. Clean teeth are important.
Yes, I will brush my teeth every day.
Now, take a shower and wear clean clothes.
Okay, Mom. I love taking a shower.
A shower keeps you fresh and clean.
I feel fresh now, Mom.
What do you want for breakfast today?
Mom, what is for breakfast today?
You have toast, eggs and milk.
That sounds yummy.
Here is your breakfast.
Thank you, Mom.
Eat well, dear.
I love eggs.
Eggs are healthy for you.
Can I have some more juice?
Sure. Here you go.
Okay, Mom.
Now, clean your plate and put it in the sink.
Yes, I will remember.
Always clean up after eating. It's a good habit.
Okay, Mom.
Did you pack your school bag?
I am ready for school now.
Staying organized helps a lot.
That's great. Let's go.
Always greet your teacher and friends.
Yes, I will say, good morning.
That's nice. Being polite is important.
I will also share my toys with friends.
Sharing is a good habit.
It was great. I learned new things.
Welcome home. How was school today?
I learned about animals.
That's wonderful. What did you learn?
That sounds fun.
Time to do your homework.
Okay, Mom. I will finish it soon.
Studying every day is important.
Yes, I want to do well in school.
Did you put away your school bag?
Oops. Not yet. I will do it now.
Good. Keeping things in place is a good habit.
Yes, it makes my room neat.
That's right. A clean room helps you focus.
I like a clean room. It makes me happy.
What are you playing?
I am playing with my puzzle.
That's great. Puzzles make your brain strong.
Yes. I want to finish it fast.
Take your time and enjoy it.
Okay, Mom. I will sleep early.
It's time to sleep.
Yes, I want to be strong.
Sleeping early keeps you healthy.
Yes, Mom. I will pray now.
Don't forget to say your prayers.
Good night, Mom. I love you.
Good night, dear. Sweet dreams.
Thank you, Mom. See you in the morning.
I love you too, my dear. Sleep well.
Please like, share and subscribe.